Yeah, so this morning we got out. We're in Treasure Island, Florida. It's a beautiful place here. It really is. I have family that live over here, so we're visiting for the Thanksgiving holiday. I hope all of you had a good Thanksgiving holiday. I know I'm filming this on the Thanksgiving holiday, but time I release it'll be afterwards. But I hope everything went well with you and your families, and I hope you have a wonderful Christmas coming up if you do that type of thing. But we put the drone up earlier, and I just realized how beautiful the scenery is. It's not just really the beach. They have like this wide white sand beach, which is okay. I mean, it's a beautiful beach, but from the air it's okay. It doesn't pop too much, but just all the buildings and housing around here is just crazy to film, and they look beautiful. So what better place to do a help me find my best drone shot than to here in Treasure Island, Florida. So what we're gonna do before we get started with the ones from here is we're gonna take a look at the last video, and we're gonna see which shot you thought was the best one.
The How To channel voted for shot 1, a beautiful shot backing away from the Crosstown Bridge. And Tanya voted for shot number 2. I like the way this shot pans up at the end. Adam voted for shot number 3, and shot number 3 was the one that won and got the most votes. Thank you to everyone who voted and made a comment.
All right, so if you don't know how it works, let me explain it. What I'm gonna do is I put the drone up, and I'm gonna pick 3 shots, 3 beautiful shots. And I'm gonna have you vote for your favorite shot in the comments. That way I know what people like in drone shots, what's beautiful. It's just not my opinion. And yeah, help me find my best drone shot. So here we go. Okay, those were the 3 shots. Tell me what shot you like best. And yeah, we'll see you again in the next video. We'll see which one you liked. All right, take care.